Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are required to solve these two equations simultaneously. The first question says 8 is equal to 2 raised to power x plus y, while the second one says 1 is equal to 3 raised to power x minus y. So we are required to solve these two equations simultaneously. To begin, I'm going to label each of these equation as equation 1 and equation 2 respectively. Therefore, from equation 1, we can see that this 8 here can be expressed as 2 raised to power 3 equal to 2 raised to power x plus y. I'm going to apply simple basic law of indices, which says that if we have a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power n, as long as the bases a in these two cases are the same, the principle says that m is equal to n. With that in mind, we can see that 2 here is equal to 2 here, which means that the bases are the same, and we can then say that 3, according to that principle, is equal to x plus y. I can rewrite this as x plus y is equal to 3. Let's call this equation 3. I'll do the same thing to equation 2, and the trick here will be to convert this one to 3 raised to power something. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. Since we already know that, then we can change this one here to 3 raised to power 0. So we have 3 raised to power 0, that's from equation 2. So we say from equation 2, 3 raised to power 0, which gives us 1, is now equal to 3 raised to power x minus 1 minus y. Following the principle of same base, so if this is 3 and this is 3, it simply means that we now have 0 is equal to x minus y. I'll call this equation 4. So we have two brand new equations. I can rewrite equation 4 as x minus y is equal to 0. So this equation and this equation is what we'll now solve simultaneously to get our answers for x and y. I can simply write them below each other like this. So I have the first one is x plus y equals to 3. X plus y is equal to 3. While the second one is x minus y is equal to 0. What method of simultaneous equation do you think we can use for this type of question? There is the elimination method, there is the substitution method. There are other methods, but these are the only two simply applicable methods in this case. So I'm going to use elimination. Since I have x here and I also have x here, I'm just going to add up the two equations. So when I add this and this together, the y would simply cancel out because they have the same coefficients but different signs. So when I add them, I will have 2x is equal to 3 plus 0 is 3 here. Now we can solve for x by simply dividing through by 2, divide through by 2, and that way we can say that our x is 3 over 2, or 1 over 2. We can now substitute this value into any of the equations 1 to 4, but I can do that here into this equation here. That's equation 4. So I'm going to say since x minus y is equal to 0, and now x is 3 over 2, so I have 3 over 2 minus y is equal to 0. Transfer this to the other side. It simply means that 3 over 2 is equal to y, or we can say y is 3 over 2, which is also the same thing as 1 over 2. So our x we solved earlier was 1 over 2, and our y is also the same value, 1 over 2. So this is how to solve the equation we were given. The two values are x is equals to 1 over 2, and y is equal to 1 over 2. If you have loved and enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.